Hello viewers, warm welcome. Today morning, I conducted a workshop on how mastery of communication will help us to grow in our life. It was a wonderful workshop. Many participants participated in it and learned a lot of things. From that, I learned one thing. We people hesitate to talk to people. We love to talk to people, but we don't know how to do it, right? Exactly. We love to be connected, but we don't know how to do it exactly, right? There are some methodologies and steps. By following this, abide by such steps, we can we can grow in life, do better communication. Let's see what are those. Come on. Communication. First, we have to know what is communication. It's a simple thing. Sharing of informations, knowledges, feelings, and emotions to one person, from one person to a group of people. It's a simple thing. But are we doing proper in the right manner? No, definitely we are not. Because we are not learning it. Lack of communication skills is the thing we don't know. But we can do it in proper way. There are some ways for communication. Verbal, non-verbal, written and visual. Let's see that. Verbal. Verbal sounds and words. Words have power. A word can harm a person. At the same time, it can kill a person. We have to give priorities to the words we use. We have to be conscious while using words and sounds. If we let out the words, it will harm the person who you scold, and at the same time, it harm you too, definitely. It can bring a miracle to the people around you and you also. The same time, words from the mouth can bring many changes to this world. Definitely. Non-verbal, mannerism and body language. We people never use our body language while communicating. We never use. But we have to use it. It brings physical contact. It makes our body to connect with people. Good communication stays that. We have to use our fingers, body, and shoulders, sometimes our face also. It's more necessary. Written letters, notice, pamphlets, many things which is written, the words which are written in papers and delivered to someone. The communication, written communication is a good communication because we can write, we can think and write everything. What are the details we have to tell? It's a good communication. Visual adds postures and pictures. Have you seen this in ads? Many actors come in front and show a product like this and ask us to buy it. Have you? Definitely, because they are ambassadors. We people look at the actors and we believe that the product is right for us, but we don't know nothing about the product. Exactly, we don't know anything, but we trust the actors because we have seen the person often in the screen. We have the flow many times, right? Okay. Then, why we buy the product? The product is communicating with us. The person is a visual contact. Visualizing. It's a great thing. It's a visual communication. We have to learn these three things. Definitely, if you have to do good communication effectively, you have to learn these three. Pitches, pauses, and tones. Low pitch, high pitch. Low pitch, high pitch. High pitch, where we can use it. Sometimes we have to give a value to a word when we speak. For example, if you are ordering a person, do it. You are asking him to complete a work within today, by today. That time you can tell like this. You have to complete this work by today. That time you have to give high pitch to the word by today. You have to complete this word by today. That time we get, okay, I have to do this. If you tell like this, you have to complete this work by today. No mean, right? Low pitch. Sometimes you have to tell politely in low pitch, right? Can you do this for me? Could you complete this? See, like that, you have to use the modulations, pitches, pauses, the breaks between the sentences. For example, I tell like this. I'm Anand Ganesh from Zen Manika. I'm Anand Ganesh from psdm Solutions. I'm Anand Ganesh from exact XYZ. Many things. At the time, I have to tell in proper manner. If I tell like this, I'm Anand Ganesh from Zen Manika. No name. I'm Anand Ganesh from Zen Manika. I'm a business manager and a professional trainer. I have to give pauses in between. It's more necessary. And tones. Tones. We have to polish our words. A normal tone. I am Anand Ganesh from Then Medica. PSTM Solutions. No meaning. Nothing. You have to complete. You have to give tone. If you are asking a question, how are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? See the tones, question marks, approximation. Then sometimes we have to use tones for louder voices also, definitely. And this three plays a mighty role. Many people never watch this. Pitches, pauses, and tones. If we use these things very effectively, definitely our conversation will be better. Try to use this. Thank you. Thank you for listening this. Hope you all learned something new from today lesson, right? And today the day was awesome because morning I have conducted a workshop. Now I'm doing this. Hope you learned something new and great thing by today from me. I'm excited. Apply it everywhere. Don't forget this. Take a note and put this all. Thanks for watching. Bye.